in every aspect of your life. You are going to one way or the other learn, relearn, and learn. And it cuts across the two ways. How you speak to people and how you process how persons speak to you. Some, like I said, some persons might not have that full knowledge of, okay, I shouldn't speak to this person this way, or I should know how I'm going to speak to this person. Now, what makes you a better person than that person is knowing how to handle that kind of a situation. Yes, whatever the person might say might have taken you off balance at that time. And like many of us said, what are the things you can do? At that point in time, you can decide to just put on music, listen to music. At that point in time, you can decide to say, okay, let me just play a kind of funny video to watch. At that point in time, you can decide to say, okay, let me just do a mindful session. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. And I don't even have to close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out.